In this video, we're going to go over the work on it activity on 131. This is temporary magnets or electromagnets. So for this experiment, you will need a 6-volt battery, insulated copper wire, an iron nail, a pencil, and a marker, 40 staples, and in your book it says a styrofoam plate, but I'm just using whatever I have on hand here right now. Now, before you do this experiment or watch it, I want you to go to page 132 and I want you to fill out the chart make a chart similar to the one that is on 132. So in one column you're going to have the number of coils around the nail. You're going to make a prediction for the number of staples it will pick up and the actual number of staples picked up. So we're going to start this experiment. So we have all of our staples in the pile. Okay, so for our first part, we're going to make one coil around this nail. And then we're going to hook this wire up to the battery so it will be completing the circuit. Now just remember, if you are doing this, this cable will get hot right away. Now ideally, if you are doing the experiment, you probably would end up using a lighter wire than I am. This is all I have on hand right now. So let's give it a try for one coil. So I'm hooking it up to the battery. I picked up. Looks like I'm not having very much luck. I picked up one staple. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect this. And for the next one, I am going to do 5 wraps around. So there we go. Okay, so we're going to 5 wraps on there. So we're going to rehook it up and see if we have better luck. Okay, whoops, my clip just came off, so I'm just going to have to hold this on by hand. Okay, so we've made our connection. Okay, oh, looks like we have more magnetism occurring, so I'm just going to go around, see if I can pick up some more staples. Okay, so I'm going to just shake those off and disconnect, and then I'm going to do my count. 7 staples collected that time. Okay, I'm going to put that back in, and then we're going to do 10 wraps around. So 5, 10. Okay, so we have just double checking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to take my nail over there and I'm going to hook it back up to the battery. Let's see how many we pick up now. Looks like we have quite a bit more magnetism occurring. Okay, so I'm just going to bring it over here, and as soon as I disconnected the cable, quite a few fell off, but some stayed on. So we have 12 staples that time. So I'll put that in. Now ideally you're going to have a much thinner cable than this. So I don't think I'll be able to do the complete experiment where we go up to 40, but we'll see how many wraps I can get on here. 20. Hopefully I have enough exposed metal to act as a magnet. Okay, so let's hook this up and see if we have any different results. Oh yes, definitely a lot more magnetism happening here. So I can bring this up. Okay, I'm going to disconnect my cable now. And we've lost quite a few, but we have a bunch on there. So let's do our count. 34 staples all in there that time. Okay, now as you can see, I can't get any more wraps on here than that 20. So I'd like you to make a prediction for what would happen with 40 wraps if we had a bigger nail. Now, after watching this experiment, I want you to stop and think, how would the extra wraps cause this nail to become more magnetic. Okay, so I want you to answer the procedure questions and send me your results when you're done. I'd like to see your answers for this one, please. So we have 20 wraps on this pencil, so it's the same as the nail. So we're going to hook it up and see if we can get any results. Okay. I see a little bit of movement on the magnets, but not a lot. Okay, so no, I don't think we're going to have any luck with this. Nothing. Okay, we'll try next with the marker. Okay, we'll hook up the wire to the battery and let's see if we can turn this into electromagnet. Okay, it doesn't look like there's any movement at all as I'm moving it across the staples. Okay, so we're not picking up anything. So from the looks of our experiment, I would say the marker is a very poor conductor of electricity because it's made out of plastic. The pencil, there seems to be a little bit of movement, but it's a very poor conductor of electricity as well.